Hey ladies, so I want to share with you a few beauty products, makeup products that I will always repurchase. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, a little bonus one because it's just new to me, but I already purchased 2 so far in a matter of 30 days. So that's how you know it will always be repurchased. So this makeup look, you should probably already have seen it. It's like a cute little everyday makeup look using some new products that I'm just trying out. So to see if they're gonna stay in my collection, because you know, we don't hold nothing just because, just to have. We don't do that over here. So first up, I will always repurchase. This is my e.l.f. liquid liner. This is probably the most affordable liner on the market. Yeah, you have Wet n Wild, you have NYX, you have Essence, you have Hard Candy, you have so many, you know, and I don't want to get like to the L'Oreals and the Maybellines. That's a little bit more pricier, but I mean, when you get down to the super cost effective, I will always purchase this. This here, I use this in every makeup look. Even this one I have on, I was doing something new, but I just was so out of my comfort zone of using new makeup. I need to use something that was familiar to me, and I will always repurchase this. Next up is my NYX lip liners. I don't think I've ever tried, oh, I'm lying, I did. I bought the Anastasia their lip pencils, and I do like it. I do have it here. She's right here. I thought I lost her. She was my daughter's car, so I got her back. She was a pretty penny. But when it comes to affordable makeup products, NYX will never steer you wrong. They have like 3 different variations of their lip pencils. They have the suede, which I love. They have this one right here, which is the professional, and then they have another one like a retractable one. Love them all. You can never go wrong with a NYX pencil, and they're not hard on the eye if you happen to pull them out in public, so that's always a good thing. Now, my brows are not brown how they normally brow, but for the most part, all I use is this NYX micro brow pencil. I have tried other NYX products in the brow department, but I've always run back to this one because one, the point is just, it's just micro. It's so pointy. Now you have the other drugstore ones, and then you have some of the higher end ones. Yes, there's some that are comparable to this one, but my thing is, why break the bank on certain products that you know you're going to repurchase on, you know, an annual, bi-weekly, bi-monthly basis? It's like, why spend that coin? You can spend it on something else, like a good foundation. You already know this was gonna be in this right here. Let me tell you something. I have on a different bronzer today. I have on a different highlight, and I have on a different setting powder under the eye. Y'all, I was so out of my comfort zone doing this makeup that even in the video, I didn't even set underneath my eye. I didn't even do that part. I had to do it. I remember it after the video was over, but I came back and I put this on. This is what I have on underneath my eye. Really like it. Guys, this right here will never steer you wrong. Now, I do have on a different bronzer. I do not have this on today, but this bronzer right here, let me just open this up. For beginners, you cannot go wrong with this. You find your palette for you. If you need the fair, if you need the medium, and if you need the deep. I get the deep, okay? I get medium to dark. I don't think there's one after this one. There may be, but I don't think so. But this one can go with so many skin tones, even deeper than me. So you have a highlight that's not grindy, chunky, or anything like that. It's nice and smooth. You have a setting powder that looks a little bit on the yellow side, but guess what? When it goes on, it's nice. And you have this right here. These two is where I break pan the most. Really, this one. I can't tell you how many of these that I bought, but yes, fave. Now, I have to put both of these in. This here, this is a repurchase all the time. Now, you guys know I like my e.l.f. Putty Primer. Now, you see, affordable products, you can have a beautiful makeup look using affordable products. Now, I kind of put this one down. I say kind of because I don't want to put it down. And I've been using this gal here since I purchased her. But let me tell you something. She's good, but she's great. I have her on today. It don't matter which one you get, but when this runs out, I will be only buying this one. The grip on this is unreal. Unreal. It feels good going on your face. This feels good too. Don't get me wrong. It's a little bit thinner. It's thick, but it's thinner than this one. And this one is good. This is good. And this has a really good skincare component to it. It has how do you say it? Neoside. Don't even worry about it. It's good. And last but not least, because I purchased it twice, my iamKeliB. I know how to say it now. This here is the Beauty Elixir, y'all. This is a toner. And it's a setting spray, beauty spray, however you choose to use it. I have 2 of these gals here. One goes in the makeup bag, one stays in the bathroom, one stays here, one stays in the bathroom. I should have purchased a bigger one during the Sephora sale, but I did not. I just got these little guys here. But needless to say, that's something I would not mind spending full price on. It's very, very, very nice. So there you have it. Those are the products that I will repurchase over and over again, no matter what. Because I do have a stable core when it comes to my drugstore makeup. I just have to get it. And I don't mind having backups. And right now, I don't have any backups of any of these. And normally I do. I have it right up here somewhere on these shelves. So your girl got to stock up. Let me know what are your products that you would not mind repurchasing over and over. Well, you may repurchase them. Let me know. Let me know.